Have you ever wondered what your credit score is and whether it is helping or hurting your financial future? The good news is that you don't have to pay a single cent to find out. In fact, there are several trusted websites and apps that let you check your credit score completely for free. And here is why it matters. Your credit score can affect whether you are approved for loans, credit cards, mortgages, and even the interest rates you receive. Simply checking it regularly can help you make smarter financial decisions and save money in the long run. So in today's video, I am going to show you 7 easy ways to check your credit score for free online. Make sure you watch until the end because one of these methods can even help you improve your credit score. So let's get started. The first method is using Discover Credit Scorecard. This first option is Discover Credit Scorecard. What's great about this service is that you don't need to be Discover customer to use it. Anyone can sign up and check their credit score completely for free. All you have to do is enter some basic information and you will get access to your FICO credit card. This gives you a clear picture of where you currently stand financially and helps you track your progress over time. Method 2. Experian Free Credit Score and Experian Boost. Experian not only lets you check your credit score for free, but it also offers a feature called Experian Boost. Experian Boost allow you to potentially increase your credit score by adding eligible bill payments, such as utility bills and streaming subscriptions to your credit profile. So with Experian, you are not just viewing your credit score, you are also getting an opportunity to improve it. That's definitely a win-win. Method 3. Credit Karma and Credit Sesame. Next, we have two very popular platforms, Credit Karma and Credit Sesame. Both services allow you to sign up for free and monitor your credit score regularly. They also provide useful insight into your credit reports and offer recommendations on ways to improve your financial health. One thing to keep in mind is that these platforms may show you offers for credit cards and loans. There is nothing wrong with browsing these offers, but make sure you only apply for products that truly fit your needs. Also, don't be surprised if the scores you see differ slightly from other services, because different companies use different credit bureaus and scoring models. Method 4. Your bank. Did you know your bank may already be giving you free access to your credit score? Many banks now include credit score monitoring directly within their online banking apps. Major banks and even many online banks have introduced this feature, allowing customers to check their scores without paying any extra fee. So before signing up for another service, log into your banking app and see if this feature is already available for you. Method 5. Your credit card provider. Another excellent option is your credit card company. Many credit card issuers now provide free credit score tracking as part of their card benefits. You may already have access to your score without even realizing it. Simply log into your credit card and Simply log into your credit card account and check your dashboard. In many cases, your score is updated monthly and available at no additional cost. Method 6. Your loan provider. If you currently have a loan provider, whether it is a car loan, a mortgage, or student loan, your lender may also provide free access to your credit score. Some lenders include this information directly in your account portal or monthly statements. It is definitely worth checking because you could already have another free way to monitor your credit health. Method 7. The last but not the least, ask during a credit application. Finally, whenever you are applying for a mortgage, student loan, and even new credit card, do not hesitate to ask the provider about your credit score. In many cases, lenders pull your credit information during the application process and may be willing to share that information with you. It never hurts to ask. Remember, credit scores generally range up to 850, and the closer you are to that number, the stronger your credit profile tends to be. But do not worry if your score isn't where you want it to be right now. The first step towards improving your credit score is knowing exactly where you stand. And thanks to these 7 methods, you can check your credit score completely free. If you found this video helpful, Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss out our latest video on personal finance and building wealth. Also, let me know in the comments, have you checked your credit score recently? And which of these methods are you going to try first? Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.